Welcome back to Delving into Data. In part one, we learned how to calculate averages from raw data and frequency tables. But data is more than just numbers. It's a story. And today, in part two, we're going to learn how to tell that story visually, and more importantly, how to read it critically. Let's start with a classic tool for showing the relationship between two categories, the two-way table. Imagine we survey 100 students about playing football. From this, we can find all sorts of information. For example, what percentage of Year 11s play football? Well, there are 55 Year 11s in total. So it's 30 out of 55, which is about 55%. Two-way tables organize data so we can see connections clearly. Now, how do we show this data to someone quickly? We use charts. For comparing totals like total football players per year, a simple bar chart is perfect. But to compare the split within each year players versus non-players, a composite bar chart is much more powerful. See how we can instantly compare both the total bar length and the internal composition. That's the power of a composite bar chart. But what if we want to show proportions, not just raw numbers? Enter the pie chart. The key here is angles. A full circle is 360 degrees. Our total for year 10 is 45 students. So the angle for plays is 25 out of 45 times 360. We always show our working for that in an exam. Pie charts are brilliant for showing how a whole is divided into parts. Finally, the most important skill being a data detective. Not all charts are created equal. We must criticize them. Look at this second chart. It's 3D and one segment is exploded. This can distort the perception of size, making that segment look more important. Also, check the scale on bar charts. If the vertical axis doesn't start at 0, it exaggerates differences. Always ask, is there a title? Are axes labeled? Is the scale misleading? Is it trying to persuade me rather than inform me? So, let's recap. We construct two-way tables to organize categorical data. We choose the right chart bar, composite bar, or pie to visualize the story. And we always put on our critical thinking hats to question how that story is being presented. You're now equipped to both present data effectively and see through misleading graphs. Great work.